So using a dumper, it's a truck. So basically, it's additional cost for us. Second, see, there's a timeline or a cost in transporting in transportation of the or disposing the excavated soil. So maybe you could consider that. That's the reason why.
No. See, other people,
If we are going, brother,
it at
yes.
the same price, 15 real itself, they are disposing it within 5-6 kilometers.
Yeah, but you have a cost on this one, my friend. Second, we are going to. It's a different company. It's not the same UPCC. Oh, okay. Yes, we did a lot of works before for the substations, MEP. We do also. And
Good morning, Mr. Frank.
yes, how are you?
Fine. After a very long time, we are talking, huh?
Yes. Actually, I'll be the one to attend the meeting. I've asked my partners to join in. Maybe they could join, but we could proceed already. Since I'm the decision maker of the company, I'm the one who is deciding. So we could push, and I will try to we could finalize things that we could,
Okay, can you explain about this company, Tesco?
Okay, Tesco is it's a holding company. We also have trading, contracting. We also supply for garments, civil works, everything. See, mostly basically we did a lot of projects for the housing project in MOI, the Ministry of Interior, in Royal Commission also, and we did some subcontracting works with the railways before for the Riyadh Metro. That is under the FAST consortium. That's it. So
The name, what is the full name of this company?
At Tesco, Digital Technology Solutions.
Digital Technology Solutions for doing shareholders, huh?
Yes. Basically, I sent all the profile of the company with you. That was way back, I think, that was last month, prior to my. This is the first time that we're going to engage for this project. But for the Riyadh Metro, we did for NEOM. Yes, for NEOM. Yes. So if you are you're going to give us a privilege of accepting us, and if we could negotiate on the terms and conditions and the prices, we could really mobilize easily as soon as possible as we require.